This is a bridge with a variation called Typewriter. So start lying down onto your back with your feet on the floor, and then bridge up, lifting both hips, gathering from the glutes, and then we're going to shift the weight over to one foot. So imagine your pelvis is like a typewriter carriage, and slide the hips over to one side so you're putting the most weight in this one foot. And you can see my other heel can lift because there's not much weight on that foot. Come back to center, slide the other way, keeping the hips lifted. Try not to move the pelvis this way, but keep it level, and then feel all the weight pour into that other side. Again, this foot becomes light, and then come back to the center and lower down.